Hi, welcome to another screencast video of AlgoDocs. Today, we will be looking at how to create an FTP integration for exporting extracted data using AlgoDocs. So we head to the integrations page and we select FTP. We create a new FTP integration. We give it a name. Then we select an extractor from our extractor list, or you can create a new extractor if you want. Next, we select a folder for which extracted data will be sent from. We can leave it all checked or select the specific folder we want. We select the desired output file type we want sent to our FTP location and also the protocol FTP or SFTP. The next step will be to input the FTP address and our credentials. After inputting the credentials, we can save and test the integration. After testing our integration, we head to our FTP application to view the exported data. We can see the exported data in our FTP root folder. We can export to specific folders in the FTP server by defining the file path in the FTP address while creating the FTP integration. We use the Edit button to make adjustments on our FTP integration. Now we add the path to the folder on our FTP server. With the test data sent, we head to the FTP application to see the exported data. We can see the exported Excel file in our folder. We can also export to the AlgoDocs folder inside this folder. We just have to update the FTP address by adding the new file path. With the test data sent, we can head to the FTP application to see the exported data. With AlgoDocs FTP Integration, we can seamlessly export extracted data to different folders on our FTP servers. Moreover, you can also explore other AlgoDocs integration options for automating the import of files to AlgoDocs and fetching extracted data from AlgoDocs. For any questions and support, please contact support@algodocs.com. Thank you for watching.